how to fix cannot link Facebook to Garena in Call of Duty Mobile. To fix the issue, you can follow this step and then you will be able to fix. So first step, you need to check Facebook permission. First, go to Call of Duty Mobile and then check the permission. Make sure all of the permission granted for the apps. So number 2, clear cache and data of the game. So you need to clear the cache of the data of the game, the storage clear cache and then clear data. And number 3, log out and log back in. So you can try to log out the Facebook and log in, then the problem may be fixed. Number 4, you can try to check your internet connection. Sometimes the internet connection the reason for the issue, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. Number 5, update Facebook and Call of Duty. So sometimes the software update needed for the fix the issue, so make sure both of Facebook and Call of Duty Mobile are updated to their latest version so that the issue will be fixed. And then you can try to reinstall Facebook and COD Mobile. So you can uninstall the Facebook and COD Mobile and then again reinstall it, so the issue will be solved. And number 7, you can try to a different Facebook account. So if your current account is not working, then you can try to a different account to fix the issue. Hopefully the issue will be solved. Number 8, check server status. So sometimes the issue can be Garena's or Facebook in. Check the official Call of Duty Mobile social media page or forums to see if there are any known outrages. So some server issue can be caused, so you need to check. And then number 9, contact support. So you can fix the issue by contacting support. If the above step isn't work for you, then you can try to contact support and then they will be give you solution. And then finally, you can use activation account link. Consider linking your Call of Duty Mobile account to an activation account directly, which can also help save your progress and bypass the Facebook issue. If you found this helpful, please consider to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.